Hi Ashna,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Today we didn't have the computer class. What happened
Why?
was we were supposed to have it, and then the computer teacher texted in a group, like at the time of the class, that there's a crash in your timetable, and I have a class with 8A right now as well as with you, and then she took their class, I guess, since she did
Okay.
not take our class. She was like, "You all practice series." बोली खुद प्रैक्टिस करो, कोई तो करेगा नहीं क्योंकि कोई क्लास नहीं था,
Okay.
कुछ नहीं था. So basically we all just had -1 hour of class today.
Okay. But your class 10, she should have prioritized your class over class 8.
Well, I thought that too, but then who knows what she did.
Okay. What were we discussing in the last class?
That functions one. We did one program.
We did one program, right? Can you open that up?
Yeah, yeah, I'm opening.
Okay. In the meantime, you were supposed to send me something.
What was I supposed to say?
Think.
Oh, oh, oh. I forgot. I seriously did. The max program we did to find the larger number of the two numbers.
Can you share that screen?
Yeah, I can. Is it visible?
Not yet.
It is not. Wait.
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now it will be.
Okay. Okay. So, couple of theoretical points before we move on to practicing more questions. Okay.
Okay.
So, there are two types of functions. One is called a pure function, other is called an impure function. Okay, just a basic definition. A function that returns a value is called a pure function. A function which does not return any value, which is void, is called an impure function. Okay.
Okay. It is there impure functions and pure functions.
Okay. Okay. So there is one more thing. One is a there's something called formal parameter, and there's something called actual parameter. Is it there in your book?
Actual and formal parameter. There's something called parameter list.
Parameter list.
Yeah.
No. What
There's
is it? What's
something
written
called
inside it?
recursive function.
A recursive function is so soon. It should be late. It will be towards the
It's
end of
written.
function.
Uh, it's after the impure functions, and there's something about um, function overloading, and after that there is recursive function.
Okay, wait. Recursive function is almost the end of the functions, okay? Before that, we have function overloading, correct? But even
Yeah,
before
it's
that,
like in the theoretical part it's the last part. After that
yes,
is just examples.
yes,
So in
yes.
the theoretical part is the last part.
No, just starting. So just the starting of the theoretical part.
Starting right, okay, fine. There's advantages of a method, defining a method,
Okay,
construct, And then there's a heading constructs or components of a method which has the header, method signature, access specifier, return type, function name, parameter list,
Okay.
method block,
Okay.
return statement. After that, there
Okay.
is features of the return statement. After that, there is invoking a method, and
Okay.
there's using static method, then actual and formal parameters. Now
Yes.
it's yeah.
Actual and formal parameters. That's what I was trying to get you at. Okay. Do you want to read it or should I tell you? What are actual
Okay,
parameters? What are formal parameters?
you tell.
Okay. Okay. So in the program which you have written on the screen, okay, you can see int result
Hmm.
is equal to obj.la 23 comma 56, right?
Yeah.
So 23 comma 56 are the parameters that we are passing, okay? Because these are the, what do you say, the original parameters, we call them actual parameters, okay? Okay. And where you see
Okay.
public int LA bracket int A comma int B, those are basically second hand parameters, okay? They are copying something from actual parameters, so we call them formal parameters.
Okay.
Understood? The original one is called actual parameter, the second hand one is called formal parameter.
Formal
Just
parameter.
read it once from your book. Just read it once from your book to be clear.
Okay. Like, yeah, I read it.
Any doubts?
No.
No? What's there? Is there anything theoretical after that?
No. They've just
No, right?
mentioned what is like AB, like here 2356 is actual
Yes.
parameter and int is formal parameter. They are just
Yes.
explaining that, nothing more.
Okay. Okay. So, do you want to do a program now?
You can.
Okay. So let's do a program. I'm giving you one. Okay. Write a program to check whether a number is prime or not.
That's the first question in the examples.
Is it? I don't have the book. I don't know.
The gist is same, like write a program to accept a number and check whether the number is prime or not. Use the function name as check.
Okay.
What does that mean? Use the function name as check. In
They're
10,
just giving you the name. They're
the
giving you the name
function
of the
returns 1. If the
function.
number is prime, you mean here
Okay.
public int LA के जगह n,
No, public int. Check. What is the name of the function given? Check int. Check. What
int
is the name?
n.
No, no. Int m is the parameter. What is the name of the
Use the
function?
function name as check.
Check. So use it as check.
Use the
Instead of
function
LA,
name as okay.
yeah. So instead of LA, we will have check.
Okay.
Okay.
The
Okay.
function
Let's start.
returns 1 if the number is prime, otherwise it returns 0.
Great.
I'm seeing the format by the way.
What?
Nothing.
Hi Nidek,
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can't see you, but okay. Can you hear me? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
So I think Yashna got disconnected. So we were discussing a program on how to check whether a number is prime or not using functions.
Okay.
Okay, we'll wait for her to come back. Okay,
So then, shall I do my program?
start doing it.
Okay.
I got disconnected.
Okay,
But I completed the prime number one.
awesome. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, by the way, you guys, I hope you have met before, right?
Yeah, so I'm just printing it.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm doing that only though. Can you not see it?
I cannot see it. Is it my
Wait
fault?
one second,
Okay.
let me check.
Let me refresh.
The answer is coming due to sharing. Like, I get disconnected. So
Okay,
that's why I'm
okay.
sharing it
Can
right
you
now.
share again? Yeah. Nilesh, by the way, have you done?
I'm saying
Are you
due
done?
to sharing. Yeah. Uh, okay, who are you asking?
So I'm still working on it.
Okay. Yeah, Yashna, go ahead. You can share your screen.
No, I'm saying if I share, then there'll be some network problem
Okay.
because that has happened from from the last two times. But the answer is
Okay.
coming right. I've tried with 22. It's written 22 is not a prime number.
Perfect. Nilesh, why don't you share your screen then?
Right, sir, but it's still in process. It's not completed.
It's not an issue. Go ahead. Yashna, maybe you can help him out.
All right, sir.
Is it the same program?
Yeah, same program.
I don't know where he is in the program.
Yeah, he's sharing screen. Okay, Nilesh, we have to do the program using functions. I I guess I forgot to
Right,
mention
so
it.
so I'll basically do that. Okay.
Okay. In the meantime, Yashna, if you want, you can do another program. So the question is very simple again. Write a program to check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. Okay. And you follow the
Okay.
same format. Okay. Create a function named check. Return 1 if it is an Armstrong number, 0 if it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, same thing. Just instead of prime, you follow Armstrong.
Armstrong number was
Google it.
okay. Okay. What was the what was Armstrong number? Was that the reverse one?
No, a number which is equal to the sum of the cube of its digits. For example, 153 is an Armstrong number because 153 is equal to 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I googled it. I googled it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm
Okay,
doing that.
okay, Nidiksh, if you're having any difficulties, if you have the VK Pandey book, you can open that. This is the first example from there. Take a couple of hints from there if you want.
Sir, right now I don't have the book.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Okay, let me help you couple of steps here. So you have to create a function. Okay, you've created a function called loop. Okay, now what will this loop function return? It will check whether the number is prime or not. If it is prime, it will return 1. Okay, if it is not prime, it will return 0. So you'll return. You don't have to print the result. Again, you're not thinking. The question was to check whether a number is prime or not. What will you print in result?
Right, sir. So I'll just write a statement which will be telling us that whether it is a
Yes,
prime or not.
yes. So what you have done for result will be either 1 or 0. If it is 1, then the number is prime. If it is 0, the number is not prime. As simple as that. Okay. So you have to return value such that you get 1 or 0 in the return statement.
So I've done it.
Is it working? Okay, open your program.
So just a
Great, it's working.
it's working, so
It's working. Okay, so why don't you also jump into the next question? Write a program to check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, and you follow the
alright,
same format.
alright,
Okay, we create a function to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. It returns 1 if the number is Armstrong number, 0 if it is not Armstrong number.
alright.
Okay, go ahead. Yashna, how's it going? Okay, you're understanding? It's easy, difficult. Okay, let me know once you're done. Okay.
So we have to check if it is a if it is an Armstrong number,
Yes,
or
yes.
also can you please repeat the question?
Okay. Question is pretty simple. Write a program to check whether a number is Armstrong number or not using function. Okay. You can name the function whatever you want. Okay. You have to pass the number as a parameter, and the function returns 1 if the number is Armstrong and 0 if the number is not an Armstrong number. Okay. Simple.
If the number is Armstrong number, the
What?
return will return one, right?
Yes.
Okay. I've completed that program and found out that 50 and it's coming right and 153 and it's coming 153 the non-stop.
Correct. Great. Okay. Uh, can you just okay? Can you just help Nidix out? I think he's on the right track.